In this video we will align and distribute objects using keyboard shortcuts and the Docker. First we import 20 icons that we have previously made. We position them approximately where we want them. Select all objects in a row and press E to align them horizontally. Now select all objects in a column and press C to center them vertically. We move the rows closer together. Hold down Ctrl to constrain the movement. Now we align all objects in the left column to the left by selecting them and clicking L. Align the right-hand column to the right by selecting them and clicking R. Align the top row to the top by selecting them and clicking T. Pressing B aligns to the bottom. Now open the Align and Distribute Docker. Select the objects to distribute and use the Docker to space them.